Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook username. So a lot of are getting confused whenever they want to change their username and they keep making mistakes, right? So you will have to download the main Facebook, not the Facebook Lite. You have to download the main Facebook, and as you can see, this is my own. So once you are on your home page, the first place you have to tap is on this. I hope you can see the profile sign. So I'll now tap here. Then I will click on settings. I hope you can see the settings sign, right? I'll now tap on settings. Then it will open up. So once it opens up, the next thing you do is you click on this personal details, right? You tap on your personal details and you can see your profiles here. You get, so I have to, this is a main page and a normal account and a page. That is why it is showing two. So if you have three, it should be showing three here. So I'll now open up, and as you can see now, this is the one I want to go with. I'll now select this one. I'll tap on it, and as you can see here, this is for the username. So this is for the name, and this is for profile picture. So I can actually edit any of these things from this particular area. So because of this video, we are talking about username, so I'll be choosing username and I will click here. So I hope you can see my username here. So I can decide to edit this username right now. So but I won't be doing that because there is no need for that. So all you need to do is you go here, you edit it, and you validate it by tapping on done. When you are done, and you now confirm your password, and you are good to go. So you can still do the same for the main name. So you can click here, and I hope you can see that you can decide to edit this or this. So any of them is editable following this process that I just showed you, right? So look at it, you can edit it. So but I don't want to edit here. So I believe this video was helpful. Do well to subscribe to this channel, and I will be bringing more updates about tech to you guys. See you on the next one.